I'm almost finished with this table. I put some data here just for sake of in a test case, or let's say a use case. And then here I need to, for example, to format this table in the following way. I'm going to select all here, this area. Okay, and I'm doing another conditional formatting. I want that these columns have a special pattern, so that people may ignore this if they need to do tests as fast as possible and don't have time. So we're going to do the following. We're going to click on Home, Conditional Formatting, okay, Manage Rules, and then New Rule on the formula. Visual Basic here, because if I have to detect the color, I should Excel formulas. With Excel formulas, I can only detect numbers. If I want to have a reference to newly created cells, ranges, and worksheets, and to elements that are non-numbers, then I need Visual Basic for applications. Okay, so we will see that later. Now for the moment, we're going to skip this. Format this. We are going to do as follows. This one. Okay, and format cells on format painter. That means I'm gonna click and keep the format. I will do this here, and that's it. Okay, here I need to going to click on this format painter. This one I'm gonna copy this here. Format painter. Double click. So I save it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At the end, to remove, you can see the icon on the cursor, which is a brush. If I want to remove this functionality, I don't want to keep this format painter, I'm gonna click on Ask, and it's released. So we are now conscious that these areas can also be left out, okay, for the testing. So we created our page. Now I know that the only area that I cannot manage is the following area. This area is format cells, protection, locked, is unlocked. And then the other area is this one, and this one as well. So I remove the locked functionality, and here we have can be changed. Okay, if I'm going to do this, priority can be changed, but priority can be changed only by me. Let's keep it protect sheet. Okay, select locked cells. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to click on OK. Now I cannot touch anything. The only area that can change here is priority. Even if this I cannot open it. Okay. So you can see. And if there are areas, okay, we know that this area can be edited. This area can be edited, so this cannot be edited. So I grayed this out. You see? But here I can edit. Okay. And now basically I'm done. I'm going to do some I cannot format because I have blocked this. Okay, this one is going to be F4 from Control Shift arrow right. Select all on the right. Okay. So we selected everything and then cell with content. Here, select this, Control Shift arrow down. I select all, and then I can remove this. Control arrow up. I'm going to the first available part with text. Okay, so we created our the management because we are aiming to develop the management, but as we have users using this to beautify my document. I finished beautifying this. Now we're going to see how to create the dashboard.